You can't miss on Christmas Eve table. Soft, juicy and wrapped in a crispy brisée pastry, the Cotechino Pie will be a guaranteed successful second course. Mine were at the stove. Ready? Go! So let's start with the main character of this recipe. This is a pre-cooked cotechino. We'll dip it in water. As soon as it comes to a boil, we will start counting 10 minutes of cooking. While the cotechino is cooking, we can take care of the lentils. In a mixer equipped with blades, we'll add celery, carrots, and onion. And let's blend. A drizzle of oil in the pan, and a nub of butter. Let's add to the chopped mix. Let it soften. Let's pour the lentils. And add salt and pepper. Flavor with fresh rosemary and leave to cook until they are nice and dry. If they dry out too much, vegetable broth. Meanwhile, the cotechino is cooked. I can take it out of the water. In order to stop the cooking process, I'll dip it in cold water. Once it's cooled down, I'll remove it from the protective plastic and remove the casing. Here we are with the cold cotechino without the casing and the lentils cooked, cooled, and from which I have removed the rosemary. We can blend them. I'll spread some of my lentil cream in the middle of my brisée. I'll lay the cotechino down and very gently I'll cover it. With the help of a spoon, we'll make a nice lentil blanket. Now with the aid of baking paper, we close it at the bottom first, and then on top. Tighten a little. Seal the ends, get a candy shape, then we trim it so we can get some decorations. I'll show you how. Rolling pin. We roll out the spare bits of pastry and we cut out some nice stars. Big one that we will place in the center. And two smaller ones. I'm using the stars, but please let your imagination run free with the ones you have at home. For the final golden color, we'll mix one yolk with cream. Then brush the cotechino over the entire surface. Ready to bake, 180 degrees in static mode, and in 30 minutes it will be ready. Once it's out of the oven, I suggest you wait about 10 minutes before you cut it, so its juices will all stay in. A second course that warms your heart. A link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where you can find doses, ingredients and the step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please leave us a nice like And if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe immediately to the channel. Cotechino Pie.